Guys, welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are gonna be making granola in the house, homemade. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And this recipe is super easy to make. You can use as less as ingredients or as much as ingredients, and it makes a great snack if you want to add it to your yogurt, or if you want to add it to your cereal with your milk. It even tastes good that way. So let's just jump into the recipe. And exact measurements for the ingredients will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, and let's get started. Alright guys, so you saw how easy the recipe was. It came out super delicious, and they came out in big chunks, which I love to add it to my yogurt. And do try it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'll see you guys in my next recipe. So until then, bye bye.